everyone, welcome to JAIIB CIB English Medium and this side CA Aarti, and I hope you all are good and I hope you have registered for upcoming May 2025 exams because already your registrations are going on, so you have very limited time now, so please go fast and do the registration as soon as possible. Okay, because 24th is your last date. Chaliye. So if you are visiting to this particular channel for the first time, do subscribe it. You can share with your colleagues and friends who are also preparing for JAIIB, CIB or for bank promotional exams, because in this we are providing you with the strategies, with the plans, how you can clear in your first attempt, which are the important topics that we are going to cover today. Don't worry, but along with that we are providing you the concept series with the MCQ series for the continuous revision. So this is a very important channel. You can share with your colleagues also who are bankers, and if they are not aware of this JAIIB and CIB exams, then this is very important for them. Chaliye. So as you have already read the title, that today we are going to discuss about important topics of your AFM. So let's start this session. AFM for May 2025. Correct? This is our attempt. This is our golden opportunity. So now this time now I'm going to tell you one very important thing that we have now. Usually we were not having this thing, but this time we have a very special thing. So before discussing that part, let's discuss what are the important topics under your AFM. Chaliye. So if we start with your AFM, you already know that is 100 questions will come in your exams, and you require 50% for the clearing. And if you are giving for the first time, minimum marks you require, that is 45 marks out of 100. Okay, and 0.5, 1 marks, 2 marks questions you are getting under your AFM also. They can ask you in the multiple choice questions. They can ask the numericals in a multiple choice questions only. They can ask you in the fill in the blanks. They can ask you in any different format, but in a multiple choice questions only. Okay. So basically under AFM, if I talk about, there is a book which is provided by your IAFBF, and that is the study material. Now if you see the study material, so in that we have around 650 plus pages. So currently today is what? Today is your 17 around. So if you want to complete those 600 pages by self-study, then this session is very important. Take like which important topics you need to study, you need to focus firstly. So you can use this particular session. So you can like this session so that in future when you are doing your self-study or when you are doing a revision, you can use these sessions for multiple revisions. Okay, and you can share with your colleagues also if they are not aware, because when you talk about the AFM, this is your accounts part. And usually we are afraid that how we are going to complete this accounts if we are from some other backgrounds, if you are from non-commerce backgrounds. Correct. So today I'm going to tell you the important topics. Like firstly, you can start with your module D topics that are very easy and that are very, you can say, easy to complete also. Okay, like firstly, you can start with your income tax. Very easy. You all are paying taxes, TDS, salary tax. So what are the different types of taxes? That is covered under income tax. Then we have GST. You also know what is GST, goods and service tax. That is the indirect taxes. So firstly, better to complete this units. They are very easy, and through this you can say that you are holding a good knowledge of your income tax also and GST. In a fast manner, you can complete this units. Then you can complete from module D only I'm talking about. Okay, because module D is very easy compared to your first, second and third module. Basically, we have 4 modules under AFM. A, B, C, D. So I'm talking about module D. Under module D, you can start with income tax, you can start with your GST, you can start with this costing methods. Because in exam, they're asking theory as well as numericals. So basically, costing methods covers your numerical side. Then you have marginal costing also. Okay, marginal costing and this costing methods. These are very important topics from your module D. Okay, these are very important topics from module D. I'm talking about module wise. Okay, so firstly I have covered your module D. Basically if you cover module D fully now, that is very important. Okay, approx you can say after completing whole module D you are able to score 25 marks approx. Yes. So if you want to be very precise, you can go with this, or if you want to complete whole module D, you can do that also. So these are the important topics from your AFM, from your module D. Approx 25 marks you can attend in upcoming May 2025. Chaliye, next thing we are going to talk about, that is your next module. Okay, now next I'm going to cover your module C. See, first thing you need to understand that your module C is about your numerical. Theory is also there, but numericals. If examiner wants to make your paper heavy or they want to make your paper level difficult, okay, then they are going to cover so many questions from this particular module. Yes, this is again our individual module. If you don't know anything about accounts, if you don't know anything about finances, if you don't know anything about income tax, don't worry. You can individually cover this module. Okay, so if examiner wants to make their paper tough, for sure they are going to start and they are going to give more focus in this module and towards numerical also. So generally we have seen that right now they are giving a good proportion to theory and numerical. But what if they change their mind this time? So basically you need to focus in this, in your annuities. You need to focus in your ratio calculation, one of the very important. Okay? Very important. Then you need to focus in your YTM, how to calculate the bonds, and you can focus in your derivative part. These are the important topics from your module D. Module C. This is from your module C. Okay, again you can say if you complete, if you are able, if you have time and if you are able to complete full module C, then again you are preparing for 25 marks. But remember, these are the approximates, but they are covering each and every module in a very good amount. So this is about annuities, ratios, YTM and derivatives from your module C. Okay, so now next I'm going to cover your module A and B. Why both the modules together? Because both are linked with each other. So best way to cover together is the only solution. Now A and B, in this they are going to talk about the accounts. So now firstly you need to focus more in this golden rules of accounting. Golden rules of accounting. Okay, this is the first thing you need to understand when you are starting your accounts part. What is the golden rule of accounting? This is very important. Then next you can start with your bank reconciliation statement, bills of exchange, and next in this only you can cover your audit part also. In your first module only you have this audit part. So these are the important things. Not only this, after this you have company accounts 2. Company accounts 1, and from 2 they are just asking format. They are just asking the format. So again this is a very simple and you can cover it within a limited time. This is again one of the advantage of covering company account 2. Only in that you need to understand format and you need to retain the format names. Okay, like in liability will come in which schedule, capital will come in which schedule. So that is what covered in your company account 2. But company account 1, again one of the very important. Then after that we have cash flows in this. Then we have trading account, we have P&L account, we have balance sheet equations. Yes, balance sheet equations, again very important topic. That is your balance sheet equation. Very simple and marks gaining topic. That is your balance sheet equation. Okay, again your A and B individually if I talk about 25, but all together they are going to cover your 50 marks. Remember, in one of the attempts they asked the journal entry in a good proportion. Okay, so no one can predict exactly, But I have told you the approximate things, like how they can ask, what are the important things. And remember, the important part is that if you have these papers, now what are these papers? Okay. These are the PYQ topics. As you can see, this is the AFM June 24 shift 1 questions. Then we have June 24 shift 2 and 3 topics. Okay. Then we have next, that is your October 24 shift 1, October 24 shift 2 and 3. Means if you want to clear in your first attempt, okay, so you can use this particular papers, that is your May 2023 this side shift 1 topics, and like that you have May 2023 shift 2, October 23 shift 2 and 3 and 1. So this is the best thing that you can have if you want to clear in your first attempt. And remember, if you are thinking that why they will ask the PYQs again, they are covering that only. You have limited syllabus, है ना? So they are going to cover that thing only. They will not ask from out of the box thing. They are going to cover from your syllabus only. So the mantra to clear in your first attempt is, you can use this particular PYQ topics. Though I have told you, okay, I have also calculated important topics from this particular page only. So you can use this page. Now, how you can purchase this page, let me tell you. Okay, if you are not having this particular page now, then go and purchase this particular page right now. How you can visit? You can use this under 24/7. This is our home page. In this, you can visit to JAIIB May 2025. In this, if you click on this, see, this is the JAIIB Increment Mahapack. Means in this, we are providing you the classes also. And that papers, hard copy of MCQ books, hard copy of PYQs, hard copy of your formula sheets, each and everything. Okay, but if you want only that books and only your papers of PYQs, formula sheets, then what you can do, you can click on JAIIB Increment box. This is our JAIIB Increment box. In this, we are providing you the hard copies. Okay, your AFM book, your PPB book, your RBWM book, your IEIFS book. We are providing you the formula sheets of all the subjects. We are providing the PYQs of all the subjects. I have shown you only the AFM now. See, this is the PYQs. Okay, this is the PYQs in which you can see all these subjects, not only the one subject. See, this is the benefit. This is the benefit. Okay, if you purchase this particular increment box. 4 books, study planner, formula sheet, PYQ topics, etc., etc., etc. Means ultimate thing if you want to clear in your first attempt. Now, if you purchase it, you are getting 50% off. That's it? No. You can increase this amount. Now, how you can increase this amount? See, you need to use the coupon code, that is Y895. And as soon as you are applying this coupon code Y895, you are receiving 17% off. Yes. So this is the coupon code. You can use it, and remember, I have told you the important topics. But if you want the perfect books with you, then this is the only way you can clear in your first attempt. Apart from this, if you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comments also, and you can share this particular session also for your future revisions. Chaliye, so now I am winding up this session.